Have you ever felt like being alone means something is wrong with you? Like if you're not surrounded by friends, messages, calls, or plans, then maybe you are not loved, not needed, or not enough. In today's world, where everything moves so fast and everyone shares every part of their lives online, being alone can feel scary, sad, or even shameful. You scroll through social media and see people laughing, hugging, partying, and you start to wonder, why am I not there? Why am I sitting in silence, eating alone, walking alone, thinking alone? Is something wrong with me? That voice in your head begins to whisper, you are missing out, you are falling behind, you are unloved, you are forgotten. And the more you hear it, the more you want to escape the silence. So you turn on noise, look for distractions, message people you don't even feel close to anymore, just to fill the empty space. But what if I told you that being alone is not the same as being lonely? What if I told you that learning to enjoy your own company is one of the most powerful things you can ever do? What if I told you that peace, clarity, healing, and deep strength are often found in quiet moments, not crowded ones? There is a big difference between being alone and being lonely. Being alone is a choice. It's a space. It's a gift. Loneliness is when you feel like something is missing, but when you learn to be comfortable alone, you discover that nothing is missing. You are already whole. The truth is, many people are surrounded by others but still feel empty inside. They laugh in crowds but cry when they are alone. They fear silence because in silence their true feelings rise. But you don't need to fear being alone. You need to understand it. Because when you stop fearing time by yourself, you begin to grow. You begin to see yourself clearly. You begin to hear your own thoughts. You begin to heal parts of you that noise kept hidden. Being alone is a mirror. It shows you who you are without the world's opinions. And yes, at first it can feel uncomfortable, because suddenly there is no one else to blame, no one else to impress, no one else to fill the silence. But in that silence you meet your real self, and that meeting is powerful. It is where confidence is born. It is where self-love grows. It is where true dreams begin. So how can you become comfortable being alone? First, change the story in your mind. Don't say, I'm alone because no one wants me. Say, I'm choosing this moment to be with myself. Your words matter. The way you speak to yourself shapes how you feel. Make your alone time something special, not something sad. Second, fill your alone time with love. Do things that make you smile. Take walks in nature. Listen to music that speaks to your soul. Watch sunsets. Read books. Try cooking something new. Start a journal and write your thoughts, even if they don't make sense. Let your alone time be your time to recharge, not to regret. Third, sit in silence sometimes, not to feel lonely, but to breathe, to notice your thoughts, to feel your feelings. Let yourself cry if you need to. Let yourself dream if you want to. Let yourself just be, because sometimes doing nothing is the most powerful thing you can do. Fourth, stop comparing your life to others. Social media is not real life. People post their best moments, not their hardest ones. You don't see their tears, their fears, their quiet nights. So don't judge your journey by someone else's highlight reel. You are not behind. You are just on a different path. Fifth, use alone time to know yourself. Ask yourself deep questions. What do I want? What do I fear? What makes me feel alive? Write your answers. Listen to your heart, because the better you know yourself, the stronger you become. Sixth, learn to enjoy your own company. Take yourself out on a walk, or to a coffee shop, or to a quiet spot where you can just be. Smile at yourself. Be kind to yourself. You are not strange for being alone. You are brave. You are learning to be your own best friend. And that is beautiful. 7th, build new habits in your alone time. Start a small routine. Wake up early and stretch. Make your bed. Drink water. Light a candle. Read a page from a book. These little things bring peace. They give your day shape. They help you feel proud. And every little habit builds your self-respect. 8th, forgive yourself in your alone time. We all carry guilt, shame, or pain from the past. But in your quiet moments, you can let them go. Say to yourself, I did the best I could with what I knew, and then breathe. You are not your past. You are your growth, and you deserve peace. 9th, use alone time to dream. Picture your future. Picture the life you want. Write about it. Think about it. Plan small steps to get there, because when you're alone, your dreams speak louder. They are not covered by noise. Listen to them, trust them, follow them. And 10th, understand that being alone is part of life. You came into this world alone. You will leave it alone. And in between, the most important relationship you will ever have is with yourself. So build it, strengthen it, love it, because when you are comfortable being alone, you are never truly lonely. You are never truly lost. You are never truly weak. You are grounded. You are whole. You are free. And here's a secret. Not everyone will understand your peace. Some people may think you are distant. Some may not understand why you enjoy being by yourself. But that's okay. You are not here to be understood by everyone. You are here to live in truth, not noise. And the truth is, your peace is your power. Your silence is your strength. Your alone time is your gift. So don't rush out of it. Don't try to escape it. Sit with it. Grow with it. Shine through it. Because when you do, you become unshakable. You become calm in chaos. You become light in the dark. One strong life lesson to remember is this. Being alone does not mean you are broken. It means you are brave enough to face yourself. The moral is simple. When you learn to love your own company, you never chase empty ones. If this message touched your heart, if you've ever struggled with being alone, or if you're learning to enjoy your own space, then take this moment to pause, breathe, and smile for how far you've come. Like this video to remind yourself that being alone is a strength, not a weakness. Comment below with one thing you've learned about yourself in quiet moments. And don't forget to subscribe to How to Grow, where we believe that true growth often begins in silence. Peace starts from within, and the most beautiful relationship you'll ever build is the one you build with yourself. You don't need a crowd to be whole. You just need a little courage to be with yourself. And that courage is already in you. You are not lonely. You are growing. You are not forgotten. You are finding your own way. You are not broken. You are becoming. Welcome to your journey. Welcome to How to Grow.